You ready?
Yep, let's go.
Welcome.
Alright, so this is the living room. And the wife.
Hi.
And the front door. This here is the hall, which will go to the bathrooms and bedrooms. This is the dining room area. Door to the pantry for the kitchen. Door to the garage for the cars. The kitchen.
All my cabinets.
Fridge and stove and all the goodie stuff. Ooh, child lock's already on. Yay!
How do I do this?
Don't worry about it. Babe, don't worry about it. We don't need to show them the inside. All right.
Oh, garage.
You want to do the garage first?
Yeah.
Okay.
Garage.
Big enough for our car.
And this is where you guys are going to be hanging out.
And then our new home for the channel will be over in this corner area here.
The GreyWolf corner.
So we have our nice little cubby area here. And the back door to the back of the house for the backyard so we can do stuff out there when we need to.
Got a pantry.
And the pantry again.
Ta-da!
So we'll have plenty of shelves.
The love list.
The master bedroom. Not overly huge, but it should do us very well. And it has a patio door to the backyard, so we'll be able to go out when we want to. And the master bathroom. Are you going in?
Sure.
With
And
the
look,
sink
space
and
for
mirror.
all my makeup. Just kidding. It's a closet.
Master bedroom closet. And then back here's where the ungodly things happen, like the toilet and the bathtub.
Oh my gosh, we have to redo this.
You're doing the guided tour.
And then we come this way, and we got the one linen closet, or
This is a closet for the front door,
closet,
basically.
I guess,
Yeah,
yeah.
coat closet. Even though it's not by the door.
And we will have our washer and dryer in here.
Oh, nice. We will have washer and dryer set up.
shelves.
Yeah. A lot easier to get into and out of than the last one we were
Yes, as I'm struggling with the door. Another closet, linen closet.
in. Yep, this is a linen closet. Yep.
The other bathroom. I'm pissed that they have a bigger tub than I do.
Yep. Not bad. Tub and shower and toilet.
My
But their
counters are
bathroom's
bigger.
smaller than ours.
My counter's bigger. So this is going to be the boys' room. Mini wolf, baby wolf,
Mini Wolf.
mini wolf.
So Mini Wolf's room with his closet. And a window so he'll be able to see out into the yard.
Okay, I'm gonna have to get this. And last but not least, the girls' room. Oop.
No breaking the room yet.
Right, and their closet. Closet's closet, but they all have views to the backyard. Let's go to the backyard. You want to go through the
Bedroom.
bedroom? You forget where our room was already?
Just looking.
Okay. Whew. And here's our backyard. So we've got a little bit of a grass area and lots and lots of rocks.
And then I can also do videos like Corey Holzman does and have a channel like him. Although his is in Arizona and a little bit bigger.
And it doesn't snow. Or
Yeah,
does it?
he doesn't get snow. And then back to the garage through this door.
And this is a little area where we can hopefully set up a grill or something. So.
Okay.